Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable notifications for private chats on the Telegram app for PC. If you've been missing important messages because your notifications weren't popping up, this quick guide will help you fix that with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is launched, you'll notice three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the page. This is the main menu button, and it's the key to accessing different settings within Telegram. Go ahead and click on those three lines. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Settings. This is where you can adjust everything related to how Telegram looks, feels, and notifies you of activity. Inside Settings, look for Notifications and Sounds. This section is dedicated to controlling how Telegram alerts you about new messages, calls, and group activity. Now, once you're in the Notifications and Sounds area, you'll see a list of options for different types of chats. One of those options is Private Chats. This is where all your one-on-one conversations are controlled. To make sure you never miss a personal message again, simply enable the toggle switch for Private Chats. When it's turned on, Telegram will instantly notify you whenever someone sends a new message directly to you. That's all it takes. Just 4 quick steps. Open the Telegram app, click on the 3 lines, go into Settings and Notifications, then enable Private Chats. Once you've done that, you'll start receiving real-time alerts on your PC for every private chat. This small change makes a big difference, especially if you rely on private conversations for important updates, work messages, or keeping in touch with close friends and family. With private chat notifications enabled, you can stay connected without constantly checking the app. So, there you have it. Simple, fast, and effective. Now you know exactly how to show notifications for private chat on Telegram using the new update. If this guide helped you, take a moment to try it out on your Telegram app right now and enjoy a smoother messaging experience.